If you're wondering how to connect Folk CRM with Stripe, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and quick way, even if you're completely new to this software. Folk CRM is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your contacts, projects, and communication all in one place. It's perfect for small businesses or individuals who need a robust CRM without the complexity that comes with most other platforms. But one of its standout features is its ability to integrate with other tools you already use, like Stripe. So if you're looking to accept payments or manage subscriptions through Stripe, I'll show you exactly how to connect it to Folk CRM. To start, you'll want to log into your Folk CRM account. If you don't have one yet, you can actually use this software completely free through our exclusive link below, with some extra bonuses just for you. Now let's get to the good stuff. To integrate Stripe with Folk CRM, head over to the Integrations tab in your settings. You'll find a list of apps that you can connect to, and Stripe should be right there. Click on the Stripe integration option, and it will prompt you to log into your Stripe account. You'll need to authorize the connection, and once that's done, your accounts will be linked. It's that easy. You'll now be able to manage your payments directly from Folk CRM. Now, why is this important? Connecting Folk CRM with Stripe means you can track payments, invoices, and subscriptions without ever leaving your CRM. This is a huge time saver for small business owners or freelancers who need a seamless workflow. Plus, it ensures that all your financial data is in one place, easily accessible and well organized. You can also automate follow-up emails, customer reminders, and manage customer details without switching between platforms. Once the integration is live, you'll start seeing your Stripe payment data populate inside Folk CRM. This includes payment histories, invoices, and any other financial transactions tied to your contacts. If you're running a subscription-based service or need to keep an eye on payments for a particular project, this integration will be invaluable. Before you go, I have a quick reminder. You can use Folk CRM for free with our exclusive link in the description. Plus, we're offering extended free trial access with bonuses, so you get even more out of this fantastic tool. Whether you're managing customer relationships or automating payments with Stripe, Folk CRM is the ultimate solution. If you enjoyed this guide on how to connect Folk CRM with Stripe, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on digital tools that can make your business run smoothly. And don't forget that link below gives you a risk-free, extended free trial of Folk CRM, so give it a try today.